Meet calm earth, breezy air, unpredictable water, and hot fire. I got an invitation to a big party. My crush will be there. Yay! Let's have fun. A party? Who cares? Where did they all go? I need to get ready. This was a great walk. Oh no! My hair! It looks terrible. I know. I'll use the power of wind. Great job. Now I have a perfect hairstyle. What was that? Wind, is that you? Come on! One last touch and my makeup is done. Your lips look stunning. Air, stop staring at me. You scared me. I wish I had lips like that. I know. Oh no, air! This method isn't the best. Take this plumping lip gloss instead. Make a mini hot pepper from polymer clay. Pour a few drops of peppermint oil into clear lip gloss. Add a decorative pepper. Close it with a cap that has an applicator. Glue the decorative pepper to the top of the cap. Oh, it burns! But my lips actually did get bigger. Whoa, the effect is amazing! I love cold showers. Hey, I need to take a shower. Who's taking so long? Merry Christmas, kids! Ho, ho, ho! Is the shower occupied? Hey, who's in there? I'd like to know. Cluck, cluck, cluck! A diving chicken! Is the bathroom occupied again? Unbelievable! Is this torture or what? Yo, yo, yo! Come out already! I think water's in there. Obviously, it's still occupied. It's taking forever. She could be there all day. Water, enough! Come out! This is a disaster. I'm giving up. Why are they making so much noise? They won't even let me take a shower in peace. What picture should I pick? No, not this either. Here! Awesome hairstyle! It's great for a new Instagram post. Oh! Water posted a pic with the same hairstyle. Cute! What's that? Fire with the same hair? Well, that's kinda… And air too? That's too much! Oh, perfumes! I wonder if there's something nice here. Too sweet. Too strong. I need some wind magic. Here it is, the perfect fragrance. Spritz oil spray paint in a container with water. Color a perfume bottle so it looks like marble. Mix 3/4 ounce of perfume base and 1/4 ounce of perfume. Pour it into the vial. Put on a spray atomizer. Decorate the vial with beads. What a magical fragrance! What is this amazing smell? Wait, don't go away! I can't live without this fragrance! I'm in love! Wait for me! I'll divorce Miss Claus! This is my favorite blue eyeshadow. I'm gonna fix my makeup and I can go to a party. Did I really drop it all? What do I do now? There's nothing left. It's all ruined. Water, honey, what happened? A close your eyes and your tears turn into bright pearls. Your makeup is saved. Whoa! This is absolutely beautiful. Air, you saved me. My favorite clay mask. Uh-oh, I ran out of it. I have to find a new one. My toning eye mask is here. Great! Cut a fish out of food plastic. Bake it at 210 degrees for 10 minutes. Color the ready fish with acrylic paint. Make a few different fish. Trim a book cover to get the right size. Sew the edges and glue on the fish. Add a snap button. Put in an eye mask. Earth, where were you? No clay mask deserves this sacrifice. And I'm just gonna get my eye mask. For real? Why didn't I think of that? What's the weather forecast? Sunny? I need to apply sunscreen. But I'm out of it. What do? I know. Some wind magic, and there we go. The sun is hidden behind the clouds. I can go out. Earth, your hair is amazing. I love it. Let's take a selfie together. Okay, let's see how it turned out. I don't get what's wrong. A closer look. I forgot to do my eyeliner. This is a disaster. I have to fix it right now. I need a blazing fire. This is perfect. Coat eyeliner with hot glue. Decorate it with coal. Add acrylic paint so it looks like it's burning. Sprinkle ash on top. Whoa! Fire! Your magic is actually really powerful! This coal is a great substitute for eyeliner. Oh! That's not right! And this one won't do! Which serum should I pick? This is the latest product! Just what I need! Air, where are you going? She flew away again! Apply hot glue to a moisturizing serum bottle to shape it like a drop. Coat it with a layer of light clay. Cut it along the seam. Coat it with fluid art medium. Add a special product that creates swirls. My eyes! What's shining so brightly? I need shades right now! Whoa! Air! You're glowing! Water, it's all thanks to you! Thanks a lot! Do you want to glow too? Sure! Why isn't he here yet? He's half an hour late! What if he's not coming at all? What if he doesn't like me? Oh no! What have I done? Plant, you're gonna help me out! Some earth magic and a great crystal nail file will save me! Glue 3 hot glue sticks together. Shape them like a crystal. Coat it with acrylic paint. Add pearly powder. Glue a nail file to the smooth side. There we go! My nails are saved! Here he is! Hi! Honey, I'm sorry I'm late. These flowers are for you. Thanks! I ordered a drink for you already. You're amazing! The party is going great! Girls, do you like the party? Meet my friends! Hi! Don't do it! Girls, let's get lit! We're what a dream team of 4 elements looks like! Woohoo! Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what you like the most. A hot lip gloss, fish tank eye mask, or a crystal nail file? And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.